Have I been waiting for this day or have I? It's Friday and I'm back with yet another episode of Fried Chicken Friday. This is episode number 3. Welcome, I'm your host for today, Mac from Mac Loves Cooking. If you like lemons, lemonade, lemon cream biscuits, anything with lemons on it, this right here will be one of your favorite fried chicken recipes of all time. See this? Y'all see this? Don't tell nobody you saw it from me. So I'm gonna show you how easy it is for you to recreate at home lemon pepper fried chicken wings. Start by adding 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Get some gloves or disposable plastic bags and start by dry rubbing the spices onto your chicken wings. Cover with the plastic wrap and leave it for a minimum of 1 hour. For our wet batter, add in 1 cup of flour, 2 cracked eggs, 1 cup of Sprite, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Get a whisk and mix thoroughly. For our seasoning flour, add in 2 cups of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of thyme, and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Make sure that the spices are thoroughly mixed in with the flour. For the dredging process, you know how we roll. First, into the seasoning flour, shake off the excess, then into the wet batter, shake off the excess, back to the seasoning flour, shake off the excess, and repeat the process for all chicken wings. Guys, never check the heat of your oil by placing your hand in. Once the oil is heated, add in your chicken by placing it away from you. And be careful not to overcrowd the pot, guys. Fry for about 8 minutes. Once your chicken is fully cooked, time for the lemon pepper sauce. Melt 1 stick of butter until it's melted and then take it off the heat. 3 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon of your favorite lemon pepper seasoning, and juice of 1 lemon. To get the juice out quickly, grab a fork and rotate it inside the lemon, and then squeeze to get the juices out. Grab a whisk and make sure that everything is thoroughly mixed. Now, either you dunk your wings in the sauce or you baste it with a spoon like I did. The choice is yours. And after that, sprinkle a little bit of that lemon pepper seasoning on top of the wings. Serve your wings with lemon wedges for that extra lemon flavor. And there you have it, folks. Lemon pepper fried chicken wings. I'm kind of nervous. I'm anxious to taste this. Check this out, guys. This is it. We got some extra lemons here. Can y'all see the lemon pepper seasoning on top? Can y'all see this? Alrighty. It smells lemony. It smells lemony and peppery. Got a nice smell to it though. I mean, you can't go wrong with fried chicken. Let's give this a try. Wow. It has a little bit of that tingling sweetness. The more you chew, like it develops in your mouth. Like that zesty feeling, that zesty taste on your tongue. Like I expected it to be sour. Like when you first bite into it and then it hits your sour taste buds, and then the more you chew, like it blends in with the sweetness and the peppery and the zestiness. Everything just blends and it just sings beautiful. Wow. A fresh lemon on top. Some fresh lemon juice. Definitely don't want the seed. Yeah. Okay. That is illegal. What I just did there is illegal. There's no way. Alkaline chicken. Do it at your own risk, guys. I want to eat. I think kuzan. If you like lemons, I suggest you put fresh lemon juice on top. But if you don't want the lemons to be overpowering, this dry like this. Ew. Because you can taste the peppers in there. Just a balanced out chicken. Share this video with anybody who loves lemon, whether it be lemon pepper wings, lemon cream biscuits. I know a lot of people who just like to eat lemon on its own. They slice it up and put some salt. This is the video for them, guys. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'm Meg from Meg Loves Cooking, signing out. Peace. One more time. Look at this. I'm manje bafethu. Bye bye.